Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this pirate look for you guys, and if you want to see how I got this scar happening on my face, then click the link down in my description. I will show you how to do it there. But to get started on the look, I'm going to be doing my foundation. It's way darker than my actual skin tone, but I'm a pirate. I would be out in the sun, so I want to be kind of tan. This is the Peach Perfect Foundation in Warm Beige. And then I'm taking my Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer and just concealing underneath my eyes, my nose, my chin, forehead, normal places. And the great thing about the Rigid Collodion, which is what the scar is made of, is it does pretty well underneath foundation and stuff. I will say if you do this and you try and create a scar, especially a big one, you want to be a little bit more careful around the scar. You don't want to be like pressing or pushing or pulling too hard around it because it could possibly start to come up. Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and just setting all over my face, making sure to set my eyes really well because we're going to do like a really pretty smoky eye. Now I'm taking my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Contour Palette and just starting to contour. I want to be really bronzed, really glowy, not really glowy. I don't know what I'm saying. I think I'm just used to saying glowy after bronzed. Just really bronzed, like we're out in the sun all the time because we're like the captain, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm going in with my Covergirl. This is their Ultra Fine Brow Pencil in Honey Brown and filling in my brows pretty much like normal. I feel like this is a really easy look to pull off, especially if you have the scar. I think that just like totally takes it to the next level. Now I'm taking my Sigma Smokescreen eyeshadow palette and starting to go in and shade in my eyes. And I really kind of wanted to do this eye look to be kind of a green color. That's why I'm taking my green shade here because red and green are complementary and my wig is going to be red, so I thought it'd be perfect if the eye was green. Going in with this is the Born to Run palette by Urban Decay and just using one of the brown shades from that palette to really darken up the eye look. Then taking the Glamnanne Mosaic palette and going in with that green shade to start really greening things up. And then I'm going to pop that shade on from the Born to Run palette. It's just a sparkly green color. And then I'm going underneath my eyes with, I think it's the orangey shade from the Born to Run palette. I'm sorry, I don't know the names. I just think, you know, an orange shade, a green shade. Then I'm going in with my Cosmetics Eyeliner and filling in my waterline. And then taking the Buxom Lash Mascara, popping that on. Then I'm taking the Karity Lip Lock in SOHO, popping that on. I thought that was just a little too purple, so I went over it with the Makeup Geek Iconic Lipstick in, I think, wow, it's called Spicy, I'm pretty sure. Popping on some lashes. These are Flutter lashes in Storm. And this is the Makeup Geek, the iconic lipstick that I was talking about. I'm pretty sure it's called Spicy. Saucy. No, it's called Saucy. Wow, my handwriting is horrible. I'm so sorry. Now I'm popping on my wig. I got this from a place called A Chorus Line. It's awesome. It has so many different wigs. And then I'm just taking a scarf, putting that on top of my head. And I think the thing that totally completes the look is, of course, the pirate hat. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video and you want to see more like it. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.